What about day? Today we're doing a before and after of a lawn renovation. Now this job here, we scarified, we aerated, we overseeded and we top dressed. So stick around. If you want to get more out of your lawn this year, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. So just a quick look at some of the cores out of this lawn. Now I picked this core up just from down here. There's actually a bit of sand in the bottom of it. So whenever the builders were building the house, they must have had a bit of sand left over and they just dropped it into this sort of area. Whenever we have a look at cores from on up into the garden, we'll have our usual affair. So see there, lovely soil, look at that, lovely crumbly soil. Roots going the whole way through, but then we'll have our thatch. This is our thatch layer here. You can see that's quite bouncy. I squeeze it down and then we'll have our soil. So this area here where it always dries out, we're going to be top dressing in around here, just this very localized area. As we're seeding, we came and we put the iron down a couple of weeks ago. You can see the grass is quite black from it. Don't want to put iron down because iron will dehydrate the seed. So we'll always put it down a couple of weeks beforehand and then come back and do the work. Daniel is carrying out the scarification. Scarification is a very important step whenever you're trying to level up your lawn. You want to get rid of all this stuff. This is debris and thatch and dead organic material. So all this sort of stuff is going to hold your lawn back. So we've done the aeration and now we're scarifying it. And whenever we scarify, it's going to create lines in the soil. And then whatever we seed into it, then that's going to give the seed somewhere safe to grow. So that's why scarification, aeration, really important step if you want to level up your lawn. So let's get back to it. Right guys, so I'm gonna have to put the camera away. Meant to be dry today, but big dark clouds and it's trying to rain there, typical. 4 seasons in one day. We had a full-on hailstorm there, but we're gonna get back to work now. Alright guys, so we're going to seed this bit in here now. I'm just going to throw the seed on by hand. I know some of you purists will say to me, Robbie, that's terrible, you can't put on seed by hand, but it's like feeding the chickens, honestly. We're just going to take a trusty knife. Now this is just 100% screen topsoil in these bags. You can see the lines in the soil here, so these lines, that's where we're hoping the seed goes down into and it's going to germinate in here. And then we're just going to put our screen topsoil, and we just bought this out of a hardware store, nothing fancy about it, but it's really good soil. Right guys, so I have my trusty rake, we don't have a lid, we're just using this rake, we're going to use the back of the rake and just to spread it out. The rain's just coming on here, so I need to be quick. I'm going to stump this down in and maybe throw down another drop of seed, and that'll be us for this area. Right guys, so just at the minute, the rain's about to come back on again here, so I'm going to have to put the camera away. We're just standing in here, your feet's enough to compact this down. Then we're going to run the rake over it. And that should be it. Although I'm going to overseed the rest of the lawn. I've other patches to do like this, but I'm going to overseed the rest of the lawn, so we're going to be running the drag mat over this bit anyway, so I have to get on to get the camera away because here comes the rain again. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button, as it really helps me grow my channel. This tool here is called a Drag-A-Bat, and it does just that. It drags the seed down into the lawn. To find out how to make one for under £40, make sure to watch the video at the end of this video. Daniel here, he's putting on some seaweed onto this lawn. As far as I'm concerned, the customer's on the holy grail here. Just show you, he has these little tuna tins dotted all around the garden. Anybody that's watched my video on how to water your lawn will recognise these things. So as far as I'm concerned, this customer's doing the holy grail for the water. Always nice to see whenever you call back to do different things, the customer's actually following your advice. Brilliant. If you want to learn how to make a homemade drag mat, watch the video on the left now.